Hi everybody, welcome to Floaty Creations. Some mixed paints here tonight. Not all just one color. This is some sky blue with some lemon yellow to make similar, and a little bit of metallic turquoise to make almost a bright aqua green. Purple is mostly soft body violet from Artist Loft. A little bit of Deco Art metallic purple. This is Liquitex Basics Prussian Blue. And this is Liquitex Basics Phthalo Blue mixed with that lemon yellow again from Soho Urban Artist. Look at that. Beautiful color. Beautiful. And then a little bit of Deco Art 24 karat gold. I have a 20 by 20 inch canvas here. Let's see what we get. I also have this lime green that I'm probably going to put in between here and there. Let's see what happens. I did forget to mention that the white is Artist Loft soft body white with little satin enamels, and I'm not sure what else because it was kind of a cloud pour mix, and then I just added more paint to it. I'm going to do a ring pour, but more like a Molly ring pour than other ring pours. But my paint, I think, is thicker than what she uses. And then I will do a little extra on top. In my head, as I'm doing this, I'm using a lot of white. As I look at it towards the end of filling the cup, I really didn't use enough white. So I'm going to try this again using more white and less color and see what happens. As usual, I don't want to bore you with me spreading out my extender, so a little voila. Watching this video, I also think I need to do a straight pour with these colors. It's so pretty. I am so glad I did those thin lines of paint around the top, because this just looks like lightning. And now I'm cleaning up the corners and scraping the bottom of the canvas so I don't get a lot of drippage. I forgot to torch for bubbles in the beginning, but I want to get some of those white spots to make this look spacey. I love the heart in the center at the bottom. I love this green to the left. It's kind of like a funnel. I love the colors in the white lightning and in the gold spikes. There's just so much to look at. This is my favorite corner on the top right, though. I just love the way that looks. I'm so excited about this piece, and the fact that it's already going to a good home makes me so happy. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching Floaty Creations. Hope you all have a fantabulous